We got a 1934 Ford Pickup, true moonshiner car. And like I said, like people have been braving the weather out here. So looks like an original Ford engine. Rain's coming down again. Got baby moons on it. Yeah, I'm getting wet, man. I should have brought my umbrella. God. Got your side pipes coming out underneath the running boards. Ford. You know, people ain't afraid to bring them out here in the wet. But you know, the wet don't kill them as much. You know what happens? It's not the wet. It's, you know, if you're up north, you got that salt. Not just salt, but they put some other stuff in their road, man. That's what gets it. Water doesn't really screw things up too much. It's a combination of chemicals and water. That's an original type motor in there, too. It's later than what came with the car, but I think it's like an early Ford motor. I'm not sure, to tell you the truth, but true wood bed too.